So yesterday, Bill and Amit shared a whole new world, one where humans and machines team up to redefine work and accelerate business transformation. However, the grim reality is that for a lot of enterprises, that journey to an agentic AI heaven goes through a data hell. And look, here's the uncomfortable truth. AI agents like the ones you just saw are only as powerful as your data. But according to Gartner, through 2026, 60% of AI projects will be abandoned due to a lack of AI-ready data. The good news is that ServiceNow offers solutions to accelerate your path to an AI-ready data estate, and we've identified 3 requirements to get there. First, there'll be a lot more AI agents doing a lot more work, 24/7, 365 days a year. And because AI agents will support increasingly more cognitive tasks, these workflows will be richer, more complex, and more intelligent than ever before. So we need an AI-ready data infrastructure today that can scale to not to millions, but to billions of complex transactions and support both operational and analytical workloads, where the same database helps AI agents generate insights and take action, all in real time and all with the security and governance that IT demands. And that AI-ready database is RaptorDB. It's available in 2 versions, Standard and Pro. Standard is included for every customer and supports all the core data operations that power intelligent workflows on the ServiceNow AI platform. And RaptorDB Pro adds a vast array of advanced capabilities like columnar store indexes, parallel processing, giving you unprecedented scalability and performance. And thanks to RaptorDB Pro, you can now drill down to an unlimited number of dimensions in our platform analytics product for rapid root cause analysis. So for example, you can ask how many incidents were resolved last Tuesday, group them by priority, and then for the priority ones, show me their category and state, and oh, tell me, who are the last 3 people who worked on them? It's analytics at the speed of thought. Next, let's discuss the second essential ingredient, unified enterprise data. To get the most from AI agents, to have them think and act on your behalf, we must enable them to learn what they need to learn so that they can do what we want them to do. They need seamless access to enterprise data wherever it resides, and they need to understand what that data means. That's why we built Workflow Data Fabric, ServiceNow's data integration and semantic layer that connects all your data to drive intelligent workflows and agentic AI. With Workflow Data Fabric, data can be structured or unstructured, static or streaming, internal or external, copied into ServiceNow or left in place in your data lake, data warehouse, or data fabric using our zero-copy connectors. And when the data stays in place, it still gets described in RaptorDB, allowing us to preserve the power of ServiceNow's single data model. And what that means is that you can treat a vast, checkered data landscape as if it were one. But you know, what truly makes our fabric unique is that it goes beyond just data integration. It is designed to spring into action and not just give you, ivory tower insights that sit in a lonely dashboard somewhere. It is designed for insight to action workflows. That's why we put workflow in our fabric's name. For too long, the worlds of insight and actions have gone their separate ways, like ships crossing in the night. And nobody is better placed to bring together these worlds, the analytical and the operational worlds, than ServiceNow. The vision of Data Fabric is to power countless insight-to-action use cases across the entire enterprise, armed with intelligence from every source and AI agents for every task. And to make that vision a reality, we are now scaling the reach of our fabric with a new workflow data network. so that all these magical moments of insight to action can truly happen everywhere, all the time. This ecosystem of 100+ integrations includes all the leading data platforms, applications, and open source tools that you can possibly think of. With Workflow Data Network, we're bringing the power of these insight capabilities right to your doorstep by integrating with the data platforms that you already have. So let's hear from a few of our partners.
Every modern business is a data business. Your data is your differentiator, and your trusted AI requires data that's accurate, governed, and of course, accessible. This is especially true given autonomous agentic AI.
Agentic AI is like nothing we've seen in our generation. The impact it's having on enterprise business processes is unmatched.
Truly autonomous agentic AI depends on access to the right data and the ability to act on it.
We at Cloudera are excited about being part of the ServiceNow Workflow Data Network because together with ServiceNow,
we can power autonomous operations at scale.
ServiceNow's AI-first platform is the nervous system of the enterprise,
connecting every part of the business and taking action to execute tasks, send alerts, and trigger workflows.
ServiceNow's zero data copy further enriches workflows with contextual data from Amazon Redshift, making your AI agents smarter and faster.
There's almost no limit to what this delivers for customers.
Imagine agents predicting supply chain disruptions, then automatically rerouting shipments or adjusting stock levels to prevent delays.
Imagine agents flagging a set of customers likely to churn and immediately kicking off a combination of preventative actions.
Imagine being able to spot a dip in customer satisfaction across regions with agents proactively tackling retention workflows.
These use cases are what can happen when real-time analytics from Cloudera meet workflow intelligence from ServiceNow.
When trusted data meets intelligent workflows, AI comes to life.
With smarter data and smarter workflows, ServiceNow and Snowflake are delivering AI-powered insights that deliver real-world results.
When insight meets action, transformation happens. That's the power of Teradata and ServiceNow.
So you've just heard from Snowflake, Teradata, AWS, and Cloudera. And we have similar partnerships with Databricks, Google Cloud, Microsoft, Oracle, and many, many more. So that brings us to the third requirement for AI-ready data. Over and over, customers tell us that they need to reduce data silos and gain greater visibility and control to ensure trust in their data. Because the success of AI agents, right, hinges not just on the quantity of data accessed, but also its quality. That's why we're going beyond integrating data to infusing it with a layer of meaning to help you manage, harmonize, and govern data at scale. And look, we've long managed your IT assets. We will now manage your data assets too. Our first entry into this space will be a powerful data catalog and data governance product. So I thought, why not just share the news here with just a few close friends? I'm proud to announce that ServiceNow has announced our intent to acquire Data.World, a leader in data cataloging and governance, backed by a robust knowledge graph, a core architectural principle of ServiceNow. Data.World already serves some of the most recognized and respected companies in the world, so stay tuned for more once the transaction closes later this summer. So there you have it, a blazing fast database for operational and analytical workloads, a fabric that makes integrating your data easy and integrates with the data assets that you already have. A new data catalog and data governance product so you can move fast with confidence. 3 powerful ways we will partner with you to help you get your data ready and your company AI ready for the profound business transformation that lies ahead. Thank you, and over to you, Pablo.